I wouldn't have thought that I would have to make an announcement like this, but judging from the number of emails I've gotten about it, I actually do. There has been a scam that people have figured out where they go onto YouTube, they create an account using the image of a channel owner. It's happened a bunch on my channel. It's happened on a bunch of other channels that I've seen as well. They then make the title, the name of the account, something like WhatsApp me at, and a 10-digit phone number. And then they go and spam the comments of a gun video with something to the effect of, congratulations on winning, you're getting a free gun, contact me immediately at this number. And they just spam that through the comments. They're not giving you a free gun. Nobody on YouTube in the comments is going to give you a free gun. They're not even going to give you like a really crummy gun like a Felk. It ain't going to happen. What they are doing is, if you do contact them, they will tell you, congratulations, here's your cool gun, you just have to pay for the shipping, and here's how you can send me money for the shipping. And then they take your money for shipping, if you're dumb enough to give it to them, and then you never hear from them again because they have now successfully stolen your money. And that was the whole point of the thing. I delete as many of these things as I can get to. I'm sure other channel owners do as well, but we can't get to them all, and YouTube, in their infinite power and wisdom, have not yet figured out how to prevent this sort of crap from being spammed all over the comment sections. So it's there until YouTube figures out how to make it go away. Please don't fall for it. Let me reiterate one more time. Nobody in the comment section of a YouTube video is going to give you a free gun.